How to add a new location on Google Map? Well, it's a very simple process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your app Google Map. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you're in this page, zoom in and head over to the location that you want to add. Now click on the specific place that you want to add the location. All you want to do is click on it. This interface will pop up on your screen. Now swipe left and then you have to click on Add Label. Well, enter the name for the location. Let me enter it as home. Click on it and then click on Update. Well, the location has been added, but you should know that you can only see this location. But if you want to add the location that can be viewed by all, then what you want to do is click on your profile at the top right corner and then tap on Add a Missing Place. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on space. So in this space, you have to enter all of the details. First of all, add the name of the place, category, and also add the address required. Once you have filled all the information, tap on Submit. Well, if the location is valid, then it will be added to your Google Map and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add new location on Google Map. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.